Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to automate social media posts with Claude AI. This tool I'm using is Leo Messi for social media post scheduler. So as you can see the calendar in front of me, I can add up to 30 plus channels like social media platforms. I added my Reddit and TikTok. And I can create posts manually. As you can see here, I can highlight all of my social media to post them in one time. I can add first comment. I can select the date of posting and everything. I can add media. I can add AI images and AI video created with post-its. We don't want this now. Let's go to the most important part, which is Claude and agents. This is your agent. This is your VA. As you can see, this example, I gave it my image and I gave it access to my X account. And I said, post this on this date with this caption. And after 2 messages, it's immediately scheduled on my X account. And with that caption, with that date, she's amazing. Like, this is your VA, this is your freelancer, and it has the best thing, analytics, all of your social media in one place. So you don't have to open that social media and see analytics and everything. This is the best social media automation tool that help you with agents and Claude AI. I have an affiliate link in the description. I will get a cut if you sign up with that link. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.